How to fix screen not responding to touches in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. And then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then remove your old screen protector and update a new one protector. After update a new one protector, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.